Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. This week's tech tip, early Bronco front axles. Ford used two different axles in the early Bronco. First, they started with the 66 to 71.5. They used the Dana 30 model front axle. This is easy to determine because on all Dana 30s, they had this kingpin cap, which was held in by 4 bolts, 9/16 set of bolts on the top and bottom. Then in 71.5, Ford upgraded, went to the Dana 44. That has ball joints, upper and lower. This big castle nut, that you see that? Pretty much it's a Dana 44. Then in 76, Ford even upgraded more. They went from drum brakes to disc brakes in the final 2 years of the production of the Bronco. Another way to determine the difference between a Dana 30 and a Dana 44 is the center section. You can see the difference on this cover compared to that cover. This is quite a bit smaller. That's the Dana 30s were rated at a 1/4 ton. The Dana 44s were rated at a 1/2 ton. Ford used the same gear combo in the F-150s and 250s also. If you're really stumped and you really can't figure it out, easy way to do it is take the cover off, drain the fluid out, spin the ring gear around. It'll say right on the ring gear, Dana 30, then it'll give you a number like 4110. 4110, you take the 10, divide it into 41, 4:10 ratio. 44, same thing, it says Dana 44 on it. This one happens to be a 354, would have a 4613 number on it. Divide them together, that gives you the gear ratio. That's the easy way to determine. If you have any questions, you can give us a call on our tech line, give us an email.